about these meeting planning vendors, they're typically promotional vendors or vendors that work with your promotional or commercial teams, but in some cases they may be working with other areas of your organization. They may be working with your research group. So keep that in mind. But what we're going to talk about are some of the types of reportable spend that are associated with these types of vendors. And we're going to discuss the types of spend that are specifically reported in aggregate, and then those types of spend that we consider transfers of value that are associated with reportable recipients. So when we're looking at these types of vendors that are commercial vendors, if they are participating in promotional programs and they're part of the execution of a promotional program, then many of the expenses that are not associated with a transfer of value may actually have to still be reported, but reported in aggregate. So we'll talk a little bit more about that. We're going to review some of the challenges that have been experienced by multiple manufacturers in this process and the challenges associated with making sure that you get accurate information from these types of vendors. And then in the end, we're going to quickly talk about how data quality can be improved moving forward with just a few tips. Obviously, we've had complete sessions on data quality as Bullseye Innovations and myself with the Aggregate Spend Alliance. We've run several-day workshops with manufacturers specifically on how to improve data quality. So keep that in mind. Feel free to contact us directly if you think that your organization could benefit from a concentrated discussion on data quality. With that being said, let's see what typical activities are actually run by these quote-unquote meeting planning vendors. I'm referring